This is a 5-minute yoga sequence that you can do every day. Hi, I'm Roya. Welcome to my channel, Everyday Yoga with Roya, where I bring you accessible yoga sequences to help you fit yoga into your daily routine. Be sure to subscribe to see more videos like this. I release new ones weekly. Let's get started. Let's get started in tabletop. Come to all fours in the center of your mat. And let's move through some cat and cow. So inhale, drop your belly and arch your back, extending your chest towards the front of your room. And exhale into cow, or angry cat, rounding your back. And just move back and forth at your own pace. Maybe moving to the side. Any sort of movement here. This is just your spinal warm-up. So do whatever feels good. And start connecting to your breath. Take one more inhale. And exhale. And then curl your toes under. And push back into downward facing dog. Pedal out your feet here. Again, warming up the body, getting some nice movement. In yoga, you're free to move however you want, to find those places that might be sticky and the movements that feel good, and just do what feels good in your body today. Inhale, sweep your right leg to the sky. And exhale, bend your knee, open your hip to the right. Square that leg and exhale, step forward into a lunge. Keeping your fingertips on the ground, look forward. Exhale back to downward facing dog. Left leg high. Open the hip, bending the knee. And sweep the left leg forward. Fingertips lunging, looking forward. And back into downward facing dog. We'll just move through this sequence again. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, open the hip. Exhale, step forward. Lunge, extend your chest forward. Push through your back heel. Downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot high. Exhale, open the hip. Inhale, look forward and step the left foot forward. Fingertips lunging. Back to downward facing dog. Come onto plank. Hold here for 3 breaths. 2, 1. Exhale your knees down, back into tabletop. Now let's come into puppy pose. Walk your hands forward, keeping your hips stacked over your knees. Reach strong through your arms and drop your chest and forehead down onto the mat. And take a few breaths here, opening the chest, opening through the collarbones. Good, walk on out on that. And sit back on your heels and come into a spinal twist. Inhale, lift your right arm to the sky. And exhale, twist to your left, bringing your left hand behind you. Gaze softly over your left shoulder. Inhale back to center. Reach your left arm high, and exhale, twist to your right. Keep your collarbones broad. Keep your crown reaching towards the sky. And exhale, come back to center. And we'll close in a child's pose. You can keep your knees together or bring them wide to the edge of your mat. Just rest your forehead on the mat. Take a few moments here. Settle in.
After a few moments here, you can stay here as long as you'd like. Slowly rise on up, blinking your eyes open. And I hope you feel better and ready to move about your day. Thanks for practicing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to see new videos released every Monday, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you liked about this class. Thanks so much.